Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal, and for today's look I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this foxy eye look that you've seen all over the internet. So if you're ready, let's go. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss another video. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Anastasia eyeshadow primer. And usually I completely cover my eye, but today I am just gonna focus it more on the outer sections. So I'm gonna be taking the colors A4, B3, D1, B5. So I'm starting with D1. And I'm just going to wing it out. And I'm just focusing that color on the outer portion. And I'm pulling it up past the brow. Using a more tapered brush, I'm going to focus it on the outside, tapping it here first. And then I am slightly dragging it in and out. Now, using something with a straight edge, I'm just going to use my tag here. I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to take some of the B5 and kind of mark myself a little line. And because I have hooded eyes, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger than most people would, and then I'm just gonna go over that again because I don't want a harsh line. Back with the brush, just with whatever's left on the fluffy brush. I'm going back and just trying to diffuse it. So now with the Resi palette, I'm taking the color 1988 with this side of the brush, tapping it in, and then I'm just gonna apply it on the outer edge, right where we had made that line. I'm not worried about how it looks because we're just going to continue to blend until it's all pretty diffused. And then with my fluffy brush, I'm going to take the colors OG and New Yorker, just tapping maybe once into each one and then going over pretty much everything. So the outer V, or the outer part, and then just kind of sweeping through here. So with a more tapered brush, this is the blending brush from e.l.f. I'm gonna take this color here, which is just basically basic nude. I took it off of another palette that I pulled apart, but any basic like cream nude is fine. And I'm just tapping it through all of this area to kind of just diffuse everything and blend it together. So now I'm going to go through pretty much every color again to intensify slowly. Now I'm taking that creamy nude again and I'm just going to apply it under the brow. And I'm also taking B1 from the Norvina Volume 4 and applying that in there. So for lashes, I am taking these called Super Boost by Bold Face Cosmetics. So I'm making sure that it is like a little winged effect so that it gives that pulled look. So for glue, I'm using my House of Lashes glue. I'll apply that first and then we'll do our curling and mascara. So I'm applying the lash, but the end of it is going to be set a little bit higher than the lash line. So what it's gonna do is just give us like a more lifted look. So now taking my black liner, I'm just gonna fill in that back corner so that it doesn't look like a big gap. So for the inner corner, I am using my Lazy highlight. So whatever's left on the brush, I'm taking and I'm applying it just more on the outer portion of the bottom lash. Same with the bigger side of the brush. And then using a nude liner, we're just aligning the waterline. Alright beauties, so at this point I was running out of battery, so I just had to move fast because I wanted to get this done. So I am using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip scrub. I'm scrubbing the lips first. Then I'm using my NYX lip liner in the color Mahogany to align those lips. And then I use the color Birthday Suit in Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Ammo. For gloss, I use the Maquillage Carly Bible collection in the color Star Child. This is not available anymore, at least I don't think so. So sorry about that. Alright beauties, so that is it for today's video. Please let me know in the comments what other beauty trend you would like me to try out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my other social media accounts, which is Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Till next time beauties.